Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you again a new video in which I'm going to make you learn how to refill HP131A. So let's start. This is the original HP cartridge. First unscrew all the two sides of the toner. This is the second side, unscrew it. After this, detach the two sides one by one. Now separate the two parts. This is the drum area. Okay, now we are going to remove the PCR roller. Then unscrews the blade. This is the cleaning blade. Now clean the waste product first. Clean it using the blower. I have not shown over here, but I have used the blower. Clean the blades. After this, unscrew the second component, that is the magnet area. Remove the magnet. Remove the doctor blade. Now throw the waste and clean it with the blower. Throw the waste and clean it with the blower. After cleaning with this cloth, clean all the components with the dry cloth, and after that you can use the cloth with water and clean it all the components. You can use the isopropyl alcohol too, but the best way is to clean it with the water. After cleaning all the components, assemble as you have disassembled. Assemble in the same way. Install the cleaning blade. After this, PCR roller. Now this is the magnet component. This is the refill bag. Shake it before refilling. refill it very carefully. Pour all the powder into that component. Now install the doctor plate. The same procedure applied when you have unassembled. I have shown each and everything in detail. Now install the magnet. We have prepared this magnet component. Now install the drum, but before that apply some toner to the drum so it can roll it easily with the PCR roller. Now bind two components and after that close it with the two end parts of this toner. Almost we have completed refilling this toner. Screw it. Okay, now check the drum is rolling or not. Yes, it's fine. We have almost completed refilling the original HP131A cartridge. This is the chip area. You are going to install the chip after refilling the toner. It's very simple. You can see in this video. Now this is final. I hope you have liked my video. Please subscribe it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.